Bring it back.
What is up, guys? TSGS here coming with another video, and in this video, guys, I'm going to be showing you guys how to hack Arknights. So with that being said, guys, if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, please do so now so you can get more videos just like this. Anyways, guys, let's get straight into this video. Alright, guys, so the first thing that you want to do is you want to go on the Apple Store. With that being said, let's go here on the Apple Store, and guys, basically it's going to be right there. And if you don't know how to spell it, it's right there. Anyways, all you need to do is basically install the application. That's the first thing that you got to do, because it will not work if you don't have the application installed. I mean, why would you have a game that you want to, anyways? So what you need to do is basically tap on install, and it should start installing. Alright, guys, so once you have done that good jazz, all you need to do now is basically go on the Safari. And once you're on Safari, you want to go on this website. I'm going to leave it down in the description. It's called iOS Gods. Boom. And guys, once you're on there, what you need to do now is basically tap on where it says the little search. You want to basically tap on the little search, and this thing is gonna pop up, and all you gotta do is basically type in Arknights. Arknights, and just tap on search, and you should be good. And alright, guys, so once you have done that good jazz, all you need to do now is basically look for Arknight mod. So like what don't click on this one. This one is Taiwan, and also do not click that one because this one is Chinese, and the one we're looking for is basically the iOS version. I mean the USA version. Anyway, so what you need to do now is basically tap on this one right here where it says Arknights and all that good jazz, and everything. That if you see that everything is in English, then you should be good. But if you guys have the different version of Arknight, then please go on to whether you want Japanese or Taiwan. Anyways, let's go here and tap on that. And guys, once you have done that good jazz, all you need to do now is basically, as you can see right there, mine is actually unlocked. My hidden contact is actually unlocked. But for you, if it's not unlocked, all you need to do is keep scrolling down until you find where it says reply to this topic. So in here you will want to type in whatever you want. It could be anything you want to say, but just make sure that it's something nice to say. Anyways, guys, once you're done that good jazz, all you need to do now is basically back up. But you want to basically tap on where it says download hack. So let's go here and tap on that. And once you have done that good jazz, it's basically going to redirect you to something else, and all you need to do now is basically wait for a minute, and then this will pop up saying you want to download it. Basically it's gonna be like down there, and all you need to do now is, but don't tap on this one because that one this download is fake. I don't know, there's like a little download here. I don't know if you guys can see it, but all you need to do now is basically tap on it, and when you do, it's basically going to pop up with a do you want to download it again. So wait, click on it. Alright, so there we go. Now all you gotta do is basically tap on download one more time, and once you have done that good jazz, it's basically going to pop up right there, and all you gotta do now is basically tap on the little arrow down, and now that you have your download, just tap on it and you should be good. After that, what you need to do is basically tap on where it says share, the little share symbol. So let's go ahead and tap on that little share symbol, and once you have done that good jazz, you want to look for Falza. So let's go here and look for copy to Falza. So let's go ahead and tap on that, and once you have done that good jazz, guys, it's basically going to redirect you to Falza, and all you got to do is basically tap on the hack. And once you have done that good jazz, all you need to do is basically install it. Boom. And let it wait for give it a minute. And once you have done that good jazz, you have given it a minute, all you need to do now is basically tap on where it says action, and this will give you an option to, like, respring your device, and also UI cache. I recommend you not do that, but all you need to do is basically tap on respring, and that should be good. And basically what that respring is gonna do is just apply everything to your hack. Just type in your password, and there you go, guys. The game is still installing for me, so guys, check it out if you want to see if it actually works, and if it doesn't, because for me it's actually just installing, and I'm gonna check it later. But anyways, guys, that'll be the end of the video, and I hope y'all enjoyed it, and if you did, please leave a like, and if you didn't, please leave a dislike. Thank you again for watching this video. TSG Asset is signing off.
In the spot, I've been making more videos than I thought. I'll be tweeting every single week, every day. Every day has been the hardest for me, but I keep going, yeah, keep going. Every time I go in, I try to quit, but I can't, because I'm all about it. I cannot stop about it. I love YouTube, I make YouTube my thing. I cannot stop and can't, no, yeah.